Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Today I would like to present our research paper. The title is Exploring the Safety Risk Factors on High-Rise Building Project through Partially Square Structural Equation Modeling. So our team is myself, Raja Nur Husna, Raja Muhammad Nur, and Juzaila Yunis. Okay. List of content for this presentation. One is background and problem statement, objectives, methodology, result and discussion, and conclusion. Background and problem statement. So the background is the talking about the causes and preventive of accident. So we are focused on the fatality in a high-rise building construction project. So the problem statement is the fatal accident still occurred during construction project, especially for the high-rise building construction project. And then maybe exists a new hazard and accident fatalities causes. Then maybe the previous preventive model have a problem to solve the situation right now. Okay, this the statistic graphical statistic from the DOSH Department of Safety and Health Malaysia. So here we show the fatality rate for the industry, for varieties of industry. So we can see here the construction give a contribution, get the highest rate of fatality compared with the other industry. Okay? From the problem statement we found, so we come out the objectives of this research is to identify the significant safety risk factors and types of accident occurred during construction high-rise building project through partial least square structural equation modeling. Basically, for the methodology, for this research are divided into 3 stages. Stage 1 is a research instrument in question A. Stage 2 is the development of model. And then stage 3 is analysis of model. To develop the model, so you follow the step to develop a model by Akilani 2018, starting from the data preparation and then specifying and evaluating the measurement construct, specifying and executing the structure of model, and evaluating modeling structure model, and then lastly consistency of fit of the model. See, this is the step to develop of the model. So why we choose a PS sim rather than other analysis model? Because the PLS sims can estimate the parameters of a set of equation in a structural equation model by combining principal components analysis and regression based path analysis. So the reason for uses is that it can handle very complex model with many indicators and construct, estimate permittively specify construct, handle small sample size with the required level of K, and then derive determinate latent variable scores which can be applied in subsequent analysis. So we look at the result and discussion. For demographic respondents, So show here the respondent is a majority is the male, 86.8%, and then age is around the 30 to 39 years old. And then the qualification is the majority is the have a bachelor, uh, bachelor and diploma. Position of respondent is from engineers, 29.3%, and then some from the site supervisor, 23.4%. And then we look at their working experience. Well, 1 to 3 years is 39.6%, and then the rest it have 3 to 5 years is 31.9%. And then we look at the working experience in high-rise building projects. 50.7% is have 1 to 3 years experience, and then the rest maybe have 3 to 5 years experience. And then nature of company mostly from the contractors and consultant. So here is show the PLS SIM guideline for to develop model. Starting from the measurement model, and then after that do the structural model, and then lastly we check for the quality model. To develop model, we need have a hypothesis. So here we have 4 hypotheses. One is H1 is there is a significant relationship between environment and heredity risk factors and types of accident. Hypothesis 2 is there is a significant relationship between job risk factor and um, types of accident. And then hypothesis 3 is there is a significant relationship between uh, personal risk factors and types of accident. And then lastly, for the hypothesis 4, there is a significant relationship between management risk factor and type of accident. Okay, the tables show the common method bias or CMV. This is the first step we need to analyze. So we find out the all VIF values less than 3.3. So the model can be considered the free of common method bias. Second check for the data, we use a normality test, or we call it a Madias test. So from here we can show in tables, show the kurtosis and squeamish. The value is the in the ranks of the on the ranks of the all variables are normally distributed. Here show the measurement model assessment from the smart PLS. So for the model, you need to measure the reliability, or we call it a loading factor, must be bigger than 0.5 for all the indicators. All indicators fulfill the requirement of a measurement model. Also for discriminant validity. Here I show the structural model assessment. From the result, structural model, we found they have three insignificant result. Just only have one significant result. To reduce the insignificant result, so we need to run the analysis for the structural model using a higher order. After we run the higher order, so we can get the result. They have only one insignificant. Finally, this is the structural model for this research. So here show the evaluation of quality of model. So you can see the all the indicators fulfill the requirement for the quality of model. From the PLS predict test, we found the our model has a moderate predict power. For this research, we can conclude once the results show that there is a significant effect of the combination of a risk factor on the types of accident, and second one is an information and on possible causes of accident during the construction of high-rise building in Penang has been revealed. And then the third one is that this model will be able to help construction management in planning to reduce the accident during high-rise building project. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you.